In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website with Zoho Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get started, choose your approach, and add the essential pieces that make a site work, all using the built-in tools that Zoho Sites provides. First, head to the Zoho Sites homepage. This is your starting point, and if you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to log in or create an account. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new site. Go ahead and click Create New Website. This action opens the setup flow, where Zoho prepares the workspace for you. Depending on your plan and settings, you might be asked to provide a site name or confirm default options. Don't worry too much about perfection here. You can change things later as you build. Next, you have a choice for how to begin, with a template or from scratch. If you want a fast, polished starting point, take a moment to browse the templates. You can navigate through categories, preview how each design looks on desktop and mobile, and pick something that matches your brand or goal. Remember, a template is just a foundation. Colors, fonts, images, sections, everything can be adjusted, so prioritize layout and general vibe over tiny details at this stage. If you prefer complete control, you can start from scratch. Choosing the blank route gives you a clean canvas without preset styling. This is great if you already have a clear structure in mind or want to learn the builder piece by piece. Either way, once you confirm your choice, you'll land inside the site builder. Inside the builder, look for the plus icon. This is your main way to add content. Click the plus sign to reveal the types of things you can insert. To shape your page's structure, start with section. Sections are horizontal building blocks that stack top to bottom. You can add a hero section, a features row, a contact area, or anything else you need. Many section layouts are pre-designed, which helps you move quickly while keeping spacing and alignment consistent. After adding a section, you can drag it up or down to reorder, duplicate it to reuse a pattern, or delete it if you change your mind. With a section in place, you'll likely want to add content inside it. Click Element to choose from basics like text, images, buttons, dividers, icons, and more. Add a text element to introduce your business, and double-click to edit the copy. Drop in an image element, upload a high-quality photo, and adjust the size so it fits well within the layout. Consider accessibility as you go. Use clear headings, keep paragraphs concise, and add alt text to images when that option is available. For more powerful features, click App. Apps are packaged tools that extend your site beyond static content. One of the most useful apps is a form, so select Form to insert a contact form or lead capture. Once the form is on your page, you can customize fields like name, email, and message, and adjust the layout so it feels balanced. Forms are essential for collecting inquiries, bookings, or newsletter signups, so place them where visitors can easily find them. As your site grows, you'll likely need more than one page. Click Page to add a new page to your site, then name it something clear like About, Services, or Contact. Organize your pages so navigation stays simple. Short labels and a logical order make it easy for visitors to move around. If you plan to publish articles or updates, click Blog Post. This opens the blogging area where you can write, format, and manage posts. Blogging helps you share expertise and can improve discoverability over time. Keep posts focused, use descriptive titles, and link to relevant pages on your site. And that's it. You've learned how to get into Zoho Sites, choose a starting point, and add sections, elements, apps, forms, pages, and blog posts. Explore, refine your content, and build confidently knowing you can adjust anything as you go.